himself.
Hello and welcome to this video, the 12 cell salts, vid 3. Thanks for having an interest. I'm Dave M. from Look In Not Out. In this video, we're going to compare the Inez-Perry chart to the newly updated Santos and Sonia Bonacci chart. I hope you'll enjoy this. Maybe give it a like and share it with some of your friends. So at a glance, the first thing you'll notice, if you're familiar with the Inez-Perry chart, is we have some information at the top above the chart. Also below it, some more information. The list at the top of the page starts with the cell salts in their order, not in the sign orders. They're the same numbers as are on the individual bottles of the cell salts. Don't forget there's two different numbering systems for cell salts also. You might want to look into that. So we have a US numbering system for the minerals, and we have a European numbering system. It's best to just look at the name of the mineral. If you have any problem with these numbers, etc., just look at the mineral name. So then we can go ahead and say that the numbers used on the Santos chart, up at the top, the 12 numbering system for the 12 minerals, is the USA numbering system. It is the most commonly used, but as I said, there are the two. So at the very top, for each of the 12 minerals listed, I'll read just the first one, just so you get an idea of what kind of information is in them for an example. Number 1, calcium fluoride, Cancer, cardinal, magnetic force, feminine, cold, moon rulership, and emotions. And so now if we look at the wheel chart, that was mineral number 1, which is for sign number 4, like it said, Cancer. And you can see on the wheel chart at between 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock, that's Cancer. And if you go down into the center of the chart to the human form, it shows on the exterior where the 12 signs are divided down the human body, as we talked in the other videos with the Inez chart. So the list at the very top of the 12 minerals focuses mainly on the attributes of each sign, we could say. And now we'll move down to the very bottom of the chart, underneath the wheel chart itself. In this section we have the 12 minerals again, but unlike the top, which are listed by standardized mineral number, the bottom list is arranged by sign number, Aries 1 to Pisces 12, you'll see. The way these are written out, I will read the first one. It says number 6, Aries, Caliphos, then in brackets, potassium phosphate. So it says number 6 at the beginning, that is the salt number, because this list again is in order of signs. Aries to Pisces, 1 to 12. You can see then that this shows that don't have the mindset that the mineral that has a number 1 on the bottle is for the corresponding sign number 1, which on the Inez-Perry chart are on the inside, just outside of the human form. On that chart, you'll see numbers 1 to 12. Same as on the Santos chart. Just outside of the human form, you'll see the number. the head, Aries, number 1, and it's at 9 o'clock position. And then this goes clockwise down to the 12th and last sign you'll see, which are the feet, the human form, Pisces. At this point, we'll move away from the central body that we're showing here of Santa Clock. That's Cancer system for the minerals, and we have a European